Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're putting on our digital detective hats. We're diving deep into open source intelligence, or OSINT, to see how one simple name can unravel a massive, hidden trail of data. Let's get right into it. So pause for a second, think about it. What does the internet actually know about you? It's kind of terrifying, right? A single starting point, like your name, is literally a master key that can unlock your entire digital life.
Here's our roadmap for today. We'll demystify the OSINT world, follow those digital breadcrumbs, unpack the advanced toolkit, map out hidden networks, learn to verify our findings, and finally, show you how to protect your own digital footprint.
Section 1. The Open Source Intelligence World. Let's clear up what this actually means.
OSINT is basically gathering and analyzing info from strictly public sources. To be super clear, we are not talking about hacking here. Anyone can use free tools to dig up surprisingly sensitive data from government court records, search engines, and social media.
Moving to Section 2, Following Digital Breadcrumbs, we're looking at the raw power of a single name.
Here's the kicker. A name alone is a really weak identifier. You've got to normalize it. We look for full names, maiden names, hyphenated names, or even misspellings. Then, you absolutely need disambiguators to cut false positives. A search for John Doe is basically useless. But John Doe, software engineer in Chicago, boom, you've instantly filtered out the noise.
These disambiguators are absolute game changers. A basic search dumps thousands of random pages on you, but an advanced search using quotes or operators like x.xls forces the engine to hand over specific Excel files. That helps you bypass the fluff and target real documents like public corporate filings or school rosters.
Now this right here is the ultimate OSINT workflow. We call it the pivot. A name gets you a username. That username unlocks a public email address, which then reveals an employer or a registered domain. You just keep using one strong identifier to pivot to the next. Section 3, the Advanced OSINT Toolkit. It's time to cast a much wider net.
The OSINT framework maps out this massive array of search categories. It really shows you the sheer scale of searchable internet data out there, branching from simple emails all the way to dark web records and business registries. To navigate this, investigators cross-reference multiple search engines like Google, Bing, or DuckDuckGo because they all index the web differently. We also hit up people search engines and public records like Edgar. But fair warning, these are just lead generation tools, not solid evidence. The data can be notoriously stale or merged with totally different people. You always have to verify.
Section 4, Mapping the Hidden Network. Let's start connecting those dots.
OSINT isn't just a list of random data points, it is a living web of relationships. We track past employers, public forums, websites, and emails to build comprehensive timelines. You're basically mapping out a person's entire life history to see exactly how all the puzzle pieces fit together.
To make sense of all this, we bring out the visualization tools, like Meltigo or Spiderfoot. They use automated scripts to graph connections instantly, revealing hidden patterns and relationships that you would never catch just staring at a spreadsheet.
Section 5, Verify and Correlate. Because in this field, accuracy is everything.
Correlation does not imply causality. Write that down. Just because two people share a name and a hometown does not make them the same person. Falsely linking someone to a crime or a company because of a shared name is a disastrous yet shockingly common mistake.
To avoid those blunders, you need a rock-solid corroboration workflow. Always require multiple independent sources. Assign confidence levels so you know what's absolute fact versus a likely correlation. Pinpoint your intelligence gaps and meticulously document everything.
Finally, Section 6, Protecting your digital footprint. Let's talk defense.
So how do you defend against these exact techniques? You shrink your digital target. Limit what you share on public forums. Mandate multi-factor authentication everywhere, and constantly train yourself and your team to spot social engineering traps.
I'll leave you with this final thought. Are your digital breadcrumbs leading the right people or the wrong ones to your front door? Good digital hygiene is absolutely crucial. Start auditing your own footprint today. Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and keep learning.